What's up guys, Stixx Picks here, back in the video. We're here at the flea market. As you know, we are flea market people. That's we're here every weekend. It's a Thursday today, so we're here Thursday, and I mean it's a little bit dry. I'd say it's about 6:20 in the morning, so we still have time, but hopefully it starts to pick up though, guys. How much are you asking on the guitars?
$4. All 3 for 10.
All right.
Ben, bro, thank you.
You got any more like video game stuff, you know?
Yeah, I got mostly like, it's a bunch of old Wii games.
All right.
Just Wii stuff.
I'll take a look at those too if you.
I got like there's Mario Kart. There's some decent ones. We can probably make some money on eBay, but I gotta find them.
Oh, you're good. You're good. I'll be back around.
Yeah.
All right, guys. Well, we bought more Guitar Hero guitars. What a surprise! Well, this is just always Guitar Hero guitars for me to buy. Like, there's really bundle deal of 3, and like each of these are like, I want to say like 40-ish bucks or so, give or take. Less. Again, for some reason. A couple of little friends, they got the party earlier. Where they at? Went to the fucking ringer. One of the people that work here told me there's probably like a Xbox over here. Oh crap, there it is. It's being all rummaged through. Hey, look at that. Oh, on the Xbox you're talking about. You know how much you guys are asking on it?
Let's say 40 bucks.
What? $5.
I missed a couple good items there, guys. That Mario Kart right in front of my eyes got took. That's not really too big of a game. It's like a $30 game, so not too big of a deal. But the end right there, I don't know if you guys saw, someone was grabbing all a bunch of those sealed books. Those are called like some like anime mangas or whatever. But theirs are like all sealed and stuff, and I don't know if you have to have a lot of the books, like the full collection, for it to be super valuable. But I mean, they're probably like $150, $200 set for those books, depending on how much you get charged. Of course, it's pretty solid. All right, everybody. Hopefully things start to like pick up, because as you can tell, it's pretty empty around here. Look at that, guys. It's fairly empty, but it's still kind of early. How much you asking on the Wii system?
The whole thing?
Yeah.
Give me 20 bucks.
All right. You got any more video game stuff, you know? Or just this?
I do, man, but I forgot stuff at home, bro.
Oh, man.
Nintendo stuff, and PlayStation, Xbox.
Dang. That Wii system, it's a bit of a gamble if it works or not. Those systems are almost built to like last though. The thing about those ones are though, they're fairly mass produced. They're, I want to say it's literally the most sold console for Nintendo, or it's at least one of the most sold consoles. So I know there's a lot of them made, of course. So I think I can sell it for like 50 or 60 bucks at most. How much are you asking on this?
$5.
How much are you asking on this? Just a normal Xbox.
64.
What's up?
It's incomplete. It's not complete.
Yeah. How much you asking on it still?
Like that, give me 20 bucks.
20 bucks, that's pretty fair. No, I can't do this. It's a little messed up. It's a bit messed up, guys. If this was this Xbox though, big money. How much you asking on this DS you have in here?
30 bucks.
You have $3 in the movie?
Huh?
You have $3 in the movie?
Well, no, that's fine.
Thank you.
See
They said $3 for this, and I see sales upwards of $20 or so. With I think some free shipping, some not. So that's why I just paid the $3 instead of paying the $5. Save a little bit of money, you know, just in case of the basic shipping. What you asking on these?
25.
All right. How much you asking on that PlayStation down there?
45. Works tested.
All right. How much on the games?
$3.
All right.
So anyway, 45, yeah.
All right.
45. These are, this is PS1, old PS1 set, complete set. This is old PS2, slim.
All
It's a
right.
complete set.
How much for the PS1?
PS1 same, 45. Very
Okay.
good, very old game. Hard
Yeah,
to
they
find.
are.
It's a complete with power supply and everything. Hard to get power supply working.
All right. All right. I'll just pay for this game now.
Okay.
I'll keep looking. I know prices of some games. I also don't know some prices of a lot of games. Like I paid $3 for this just because I know I could sell it for like 20, right? I need a bunch of other games. I just have no idea. They're pretty fair prices. Nothing for me to profit off of course, but prices he was given, they're fair. I think that PS1's worth about that price, right?
35.
Is that your only Dragon Ball one you got out here? Besides Vegito, I guess, too, that they're only two?
Hercule.
Oh, okay, Hercule. I don't know if I got him yet. Still looking for a couple people to finish my collection.
Yeah, that's pretty much all the anime I brought out today.
Alright, all good. Thank you. There's always, somebody's selling a bunch of those Funko Pops. I would have maybe bought that second form cell, but I don't really want to spend 35 on them. Usually I spend about 10 bucks on a Funko Pop. If I'm gonna get it 15, obviously they're all the same price, you know, so it's worth some more money. But I don't really want to pay that. I have one form of cell already. I don't really need all versions of him. Perfect cell is good enough for me. I'm doing a lot of walking around today, guys. I mean, there's booths like this. I mean, like, you guys really want to see all this? Ooh, fishing reels, actually. That's pretty cool. I don't know nothing about these, though. But there's a bunch of booths that are just the same booth every week, you know? So there's not, I just don't think I want to show you guys that. I don't really want to waste your time. There's a lot of these same booths. Like 80% of the booths here are about, you know, just about the same things. We're looking for that 20%. That's what we're here for.
Yeah, I missed by 10.
He was almost right.
If you want to give me the 20 bucks, that's fine.
I think I probably will. I'll probably just give him 20 bucks. I don't know though. Yeah, I'll give you 20 bucks.
Huh?
Thank you. It's not in the best condition, as you can just tell by looking at it. It's not in the worst condition. The one thing that scares me about it is this HDMI cord is almost like pushed up just a tad bit. But 20 bucks for a PlayStation 4, you know, you can't beat that. I think you can sell it for parts. I can literally double my money on just parts alone. So we're chilling. There's not really much risk at all on this sale. I can just sell for parts to make my money back. But if it does work and it's not just for parts, I'll probably sell it for like 150 bucks, right? Maybe even closer to 200. I swear you could. I don't like trying to be the highest price sometimes, so we may just go 150. I paid 20 bucks. So something I've learned a lot more recently though is just being like more firm on like how you are, you know, just not like instantly jumping on it, just like sort of hesitating and like not instantly jumping on it. I've noticed is like helpful to like lower the prices and stuff. And I think the past like a week or two alone, I've gotten like freaking like 4 different deals by just not instantly talking. What did you get, Dad?
It's part of my trade.
You could have got my help, Dad.
I didn't think about it.
You could have, you know, your back's not the best, so. time to spend a little bit of the profits that we just made on food. That Minecraft game pretty much is gonna be paying for my food right now. As we're at our own booth, I mean, we are selling about nothing. We're selling like 7 items, literally, guys. All we brought was the truck with like half of the bag full, pretty much. We didn't even really bring anything. We're mainly here to pick.
How much we sold them?
Oh, all right. This is how much we sold today, because, oh my goodness.
With our load, we didn't bring.
This is our load we didn't bring today, guys.
Size don't matter.
Somebody actually stole from us today. Unfortunately, I walk around a good amount, and he probably was across the street. And we normally trust the people. We're out here a lot. People, I wouldn't say like they like us and we trust them a bunch, but are pretty cool with us out here, and we're cool with everybody. You know, we give a deal. What is the saying? You scratch our back, we scratch yours. It goes pretty well here, but somebody actually stole from us today. How much do you think we lost today when we got stolen from, Dad?
That was at least 50 bucks. That's what I want. I mean, it wasn't a great one. On eBay, you probably could have got 150, but it weighed like 50 pounds.
All right, so technically we'll just say we lost 50 bucks right there. They stole 50 bucks from us today. Like, what the heck?
I don't care if it was a breadcrumb. The fact is, I don't know who did it, and you came in my house and you took off my table. I want to know.
Yo, man, you know if you have Mario Party 8? Mario Party 8 for the Wii? Dang, that's what I'm looking for. Thank you. How much you asking on the shoes?
100 bucks over. A bit of food.
All right, guys, I don't know why I'm still walking right now. Let's just go back. We're done here. Those shoes that were like, they're pretty cool. They're expensive shoes. His weren't in the best condition though, of course. So if you can sell them for 100, that would be pretty dope. All right, we're done here pretty much, guys. We sold our little bit. Of course, he came here for a different reason. Other than that, he had that stack of money from selling his personal collection of things. I'll just say that. We can make upwards of what? Like 120 on the guitars, 20, 20, 20, maybe 150. We have upwards of 300 bucks and stuff here. About, like, that's like peak prices we can get. Yeah. Realistically, we'll probably make about 200. Might as well test this PlayStation. I mean, there's a chance of it working. I have a bad feeling it's not going to, but I bought it really for parts, you know, like I could sell it for like 60 or 80 bucks in parts, make my money. But if it works, make a lot more money, right? Good sign, good start, turns on. It turns on, guys, it works, but the problem I knew was gonna happen. This little HDMI cord is a little bit like pushed up. So I can't plug in the HDMI. But I mean, it turns on, so I may be able to fix it somehow, I don't know. All right, we're done listing those items besides 2 of the guitars we still have to test, of course, but we listed 1 guitar for 40 bucks, Minecraft for 17 bucks, the Harry Potter movies for 22 bucks, I want to say. The Dragon Ball game is a bit scratched, so I'm literally just not going to list that. Screw it, I lost 5 bucks right there. I'll probably end up playing it. It's whatever. And the PS4 I put for I want to say I put it for 80 bucks. I put it for 80 bucks. I put read description for parts. It turns on, but the HDMI is broken. People can probably fix that. So it's been literally like 30 minutes and I got 2 offers on 2 of my items already. For one of them was the Minecraft game, which was a little bit cheaper. They sent me like a $7 offer and have it up for 15, so I already declined that. But the PlayStation, they sent a $65 offer, and I mean, I have it up for 80 bucks, so. And with that being said, this is the end of the video. If you guys have watched this far, you know what that means. You watched my whole video, and thank you guys very much for that. I really do appreciate you so much for watching the whole length of my video, not just like a little bit, the whole thing. Thank you so much, unless you skipped to the end. Even if you skipped to the end, you're watching this, put a heart in the comments. Peace out.